In this video, we're going to take a first look and unbox the Sony Alpha a7 III mirrorless full-frame camera, coming right up. Oh, here it is, the Sony a7 Mark III. Let's see a little bit about the specs. Let's see what we've got here. Typical documentation. I got the kit without a lens. I already have a lens. Got this beautiful A7 strap. USB charging cable. A power brick. And the larger Z-type battery. And then the camera itself. And I'm going to take you for a tour around the camera. What I'm going to do is I'm going to charge the battery. Put the battery in here. I'm going to go take some pictures. We'll come back. We'll walk around the camera. I'm going to add the kit lens to it. And we'll be right back as we do a quick overview of the Sony a7 Mark III. So you can walk around the camera. You can see this is the kit lens. I put the kit lens on. I had the original A7. This is a 28 to 70 kit lens. Got your power button. Got your mode button. A custom 1, custom 2 button. Got the microphones here. There's a hot shoe mount coming around the front. Just your lens release here. This is an interchangeable lens camera, obviously. Something new to the Mark III is dual card slots. The bottom slot here is a UHS 2, which means you can take advantage of the high-speed UHS 2 cards. The top one is UHS 1, so they're not both UHS 2, but just the same. You've got at least one. You've got AEL, AE on buttons. Also around the front, you have a control dial here. You can use that for your shutter speed or aperture setting. On the back here, there's another control dial that you can use for aperture. Also, there's a new joystick that will allow you to be able to move your focus point. It's got the traditional D-pad here in the center. You've got a delete, which can be customized with C4, also your play button. It does come with a tilt screen, 3-inch, just over 1 million dots or so. Tilt screen doesn't fully articulate. It does tilt down, and it does tilt up as well. Comes with a over 2 million dot viewfinder. It's a pretty good viewfinder from what I've seen so far. Got your menu button, another custom button here. Around the side, you've got your different ports. Got a USB, micro USB, and USB-C, which allows you to do high-speed tethering. The USB-C for charging as well. You can charge with the micro USB, micro HDMI port, headphone port, and microphone port and a headphone port. So that is the camera. Quick overview of it. Very nice looking, very light camera. What I did is took some pictures with it. I took some video. I'm going to bring it over to the computer. I'll show you those pictures, I'll show you that video, and then we'll come back and wrap up this first look at the Sony a7 mirrorless camera. Here's a shot of my cat, and zoom in and see that it looks really, really good. Good clarity, good color. I used auto ISO. This is at ISO 2000, another shot of my cat. ISO 2000, looks really good JPEG from the camera. Here's some video. This is 4K.
4K. Auto everything.
Just me walking around vlog style with face detect on. Just some video of our apple tree here. You can hear the airplane overhead. Video looks really good. Focus seems smooth even with this kit lens. And we're doing 1080 60 here.
60. Same size.
Again, vlog style.
Working normally. dusty. I should have cleaned that before I started this test.
And then this is 1080/30.
It's 1080/30, 50 meg bit rate. Otherwise, the settings are the same. Same kit lens, same microphone on the camera.
So pretty impressed with the camera so far. I just took a few pictures, took that video. I did order an MC11 adapter, which will allow me to use my Canon glass on here. So look for a video with that. I'm going to connect. I've got an 85mm and a 50mm Canon lens. I'm going to connect to this and we'll see how that works with autofocus, just how it performs in general. I want to thank you for taking the time to view this. Also, I'm going to do a full review at some point. I'll take this on a trip and use it a little bit, put it through its paces and come back with a full review. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, you think the video is great, you think it's silly, you think it's terrible, whatever the case may be, comment down below. Let's start a conversation. Also, I'll have a link to this camera so you can look at the specs. I didn't really get into the specs, but there are other videos out there that do detail the specs quite a bit. Phil with Bold City Pictures, thanks again for taking the time to view this video. We will see you again in the next one.